Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of SuperSaaS Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you like to install and click on it. Here, click Install and Allow and Install. Next, refresh your page. Scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. Next is the tutorials tab. And here you can find videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next, you have the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your SuperSaaS account online. Click on Account Info. In Account Info, copy your account name, head back to your account and paste it where required. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Review in case you already have an API key. If not, you will have to click on Generate API Key. And when that's done, you copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. As you can see, the application is set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have any issue. And finally is the Changelog tab. It keeps you updated. And finally is the changelog tab. It keeps you updated on any changes that have been made on the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.